In today's video, I want to guide you on how you can check the battery health on your Windows PC. This is very simple, but before we go into details, let's take a look at one thing here. Go to the start button, right click, then click on settings. Now click on system. From here, click on battery and power. You have something like this. Now there's no report for your battery health here. All you see is just this. This is not the report of your battery health. So to access your battery health is very simple. Come to the search button here, type CMD, then right click, run as administrator, then click on yes when it opens. Now it comes out like this. Then I've prepared this code for us. Just copy this, or you write it out, right click here to enter, hit the enter button. Now this has been generated. You can see that live report save to file PC directory. You can see it here now. Close this page, then close this one. Now let's access our C drive on our laptop. Then go to the PC, double click on to open the PC here. Let me expand this, then open the C drive. Now here is the report. Click on this one. Open with Google or anyone that suits you. Now here we have the battery report here, the computer name, and other important information. Now you can see you have the install battery capacity here, manufacturer name, and here you have the capacity design and fully charged capacity. Now in order to calculate your battery rate, is very simple. We're going to use calculator in this procedure. Then come to this place and tap on calculator to bring out calculator on your device. Once you bring out your calculator, here is the formula to do that. Full charge capacity, which is a fully charged capacity here, all over design capacity, this then multiplied by 100. So let's take a look at what we have here. We have 13,675 divided by this 13,675 times 100. So it tells me that the capacity of the battery health of my laptop is 100%, and that is in cooperation with what I have here. You can see the battery is fully charged. That is why you're having this. So this is just simple, guys, on how to have access to the battery report on your Windows PC, most especially Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you enjoy what I've explained in this video and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.